So again, about 10 more seconds so this market opens on up and we'll be good to go. And here we go, guys. Again, RNVA starting off with a lot of hype. So again, all eyes are on RNVA right at the start, guys. All eyes are on RNVA right at the start. This is the stock I want you guys focusing on. Again, perfect scenario would be a red to green move. We are dropping back on down a little bit, so that's absolutely fine. And what we want to see now is going to be that red to green move. When that red to green move happens, that is what we really want. Again, we want to see a couple red candles down towards around 310 and then a nice break on up. So again, I am watching the high of the day momentum scanner. SPU, guys, new high of the day on SPU. Make sure you guys are keeping that on watch. SPU new high of the day, just kind of came up. That thing could definitely move. Just be aware of it. RNVA consolidating right now. That's absolutely what we want. RNVA consolidating. Now again, where do we have the open? Open now is on 330. Open is 330 on RNVA. So that break of 330 is definitely where we want to look for a first possible entry. So RNVA, nice coming back on down. We look for the red to green move on that play now. That's what we look for, that possible red to green move. That's not doing anything. SPU not doing anything. IMUC kind of keeping it on watch a little bit. IMUC keeping it on watch. RNVA came down exactly how we wanted. RNVA came down exactly how we wanted. Now what we want to wait for is that possible red to green move. So again, came down exactly what we wanted. Now it is on the alert box of that possible red to green move. And not hopping in on this play yet, but we'll see if its stock can make that nice U shape back on up. Little sign note as well, SPU slowly getting a little bit of a climb. SPU, guys, starting to get a little bit of hype towards it. SPU. That possible break of $6 can definitely bring in attention, guys. That possible break of $6 on SPU can definitely bring in attention. It is there is a very high potential there, so I want to put it on the alert box. But again, it's not going to be the easiest play. But SPU approaching, there is probably a larger spread as well. There is a larger spread, so it's going to be tough, of course. But watch for that $6 break on SPU. There definitely is a lot of potential. Starting to get that activity. So SPU, guys, now starting to get that rip. We are going to hit pre-market highs at around 640. Pre-market highs are going to be around 640 on SPU. And guys, we are starting to break that. Watch for the possible 650 break now. This is one very, very hot stock. SPU is a very, very hot stock. We do have that top resistance now at around that 650 mark. Break of that 650, again, the stock could possibly rip. What is the only thing we have to be concerned about, guys? What is the only thing we have to be concerned about? We do have the 200-day moving average on SPU. 200-day moving average is at 668. 668, we have our 200-day moving average. Don't mean to cover up the screen at all. I do want you guys to see this. 638, 50-day moving average. So we do have 638, 50-day moving average, and then 668, which is, again, that 200-day moving average. So make sure you guys are watching that. RNVA, guys, starting to move on up as well. RNVA slowly starting to move on up. It is looking for that red to green move, guys, but make sure you guys are watching SPU. I do want to type this out real quick. SPU 50-day moving average at 638, and then we also have our 200-day moving average at 668. So make sure you guys are, if you guys are looking into SPU, that is the main shebang right there. You guys have to be aware of that. Again, RNVA, we will watch this for this possible red to green move, guys, coming on up. RNVA, possible red to green move coming on up. So make sure everyone's watching this, that possible 330 break. Then possible 330 breaks the mark we want on RNVA. And we'll see if we can get it. Again, SPU was a quick pop so far. It did come up to that 650 mark. Has not been able to break it yet. NOVN, nice climb so far. NOVN has had a nice climb so far, guys. Eyes back on RNVA. Eyes on RNVA. Possible red to green move, guys, about to happen. Possible red to green move about to happen. So make sure you are focused on this play. It is looking like it. And guys, we are about to be on alert, and we are on alert, guys, on RNVA. Definitely a lot of big time potential right here for this stock. to go on a nice play and possibly go on a nice move. So again, RNVA, nice big rip, nice big climb so far, and we are looking for this stock to continue to get this, big time ripping potential. So here we are on the red to green move. Again, so far up towards that high of 344, which is absolutely beautiful so far. Again, I would look for a nice small position. As I said, make sure you guys lock in profits when you have them. Make sure you guys lock in profits when you have them. But we do have, why do I have that 344, 345 mark to start? Because it is a pre-market high. Because it is a pre-market high. So that's why I'm starting small. That's why I'm starting small, and I'm locking in. I am locking a little something right here because, again, I know it's not the biggest play in the world, but at the same time, I would rather be smart. I'd rather not force something that's not going to be there. So right now, again, we are right at that 344, 345 mark. That is a pre-market high. I do just want to lock in something just so I'm safe. Do I think it's going to rip past that? I do. I definitely do think it's going to rip past this. We played a very predictable, easy pattern so far. Very predictable, easy pattern so far. I am locking in a little something, though, right here in these 340. So no matter what, I'm leaving with profit. It's not being a cautious, overly cautious trader. It's being a smart trader. I know that we have been in a little bit of a slower market over these past 2 weeks. So I want to make sure no matter what, I am leaving this trade with some money. That's the most important thing in my eyes. But do I think we can definitely break this 345 and get a nice little rip? Well, I'll tell you in about 2 seconds, and I think we will. But again, 345 still is holding on up, and that is an area I definitely want you guys to be smart. But we are getting our nice little break right here. Let's carry this out, guys. Let's go. Great job so far. Looking to make some nice money and continue to move on up on this play. And again, we were just being smart traders. Didn't want to force anything that wasn't going to might have come back down and hurt us. But so far, guys, beautiful play, RNVA, and we have a lot of opportunity to continue to move on up, continue to make some nice money, guys, and continue to see the stock get a nice climb towards it. So great job overall on everyone today. Following our alerts, 355 right now, high of the day. Congrats to everyone who's making some money. This is you guys. You guys are the ones putting the orders in. You guys are the ones that are trading these nice patterns. So I want you guys to definitely be, giving yourself credit for this nice money right here. Comes and breaks that 640 mark. I'm going to put this on alert again, SPU, for that 650 break. For that 650 break. And guys, I'm very happy with the start of the day today. We are doing everything perfect. We're waiting for those nice big rips. We're playing stocks that definitely have big potential. Again, this is a stock that you really, if you want to play it, you have to be ready for it. If you want to play SPU, you have to be ready for it. So make sure you guys are keeping your eyes peeled on SPU, possible 650 break about to go down, and that means we definitely have room to run. The only thing you want to be aware of on SPU, again, guys, is going to be that moving average, that 200-day moving average, which is trying to hit right now. There's 675. Again, SPU, guys, on the break and on the run. And again, if you guys are playing SPU, this is a stock with a very large spread. Right now, it's about 9 cents. So again, if you are playing, I can tell you right now, I am not in SPU, but at the same time, guys, it is a big time ripper. It has huge potential. 675 is going to be a natural resistance line. We're hitting 675 right now. SPU, nice big climb, and we just broke 675. Boom, baby. Let's continue to get some hot momentum. And again, I'm fired up for everyone who's making some nice money right now. I'm happy for you guys. I have not gotten into SPU. I played RNVA so far today for a nice climb. But SPU, guys, definitely a lot of potential. Get the stock back on the board and see this, big time runner in the past come back to life. So what do we got, guys? A little bit of a side note, if you guys are into a little bit of these bigger stocks, we do have an $11 range, POLA. POLA, the stock is coming up towards around that red to green move. That stock would be performing a red to green move rather shortly. POLA, guys, if you guys are looking for a possible red to green move, POLA definitely is approaching that mark right now. So again, anyone who is looking for a possible red to green move, POLA is forming that right now. POLA, I know it's a little bit more pricier, possible red to green move. And again, POLA, guys, is starting to get that pop. So again, we are having that $11 break right here, and we could easily see the stock up towards like that 11.45 mark. Look at POLA, exactly what we want, guys. That is a red to green move. That is beautiful, and that is exactly why we love to see these nice moves. So POLA, nice red to green move. Find predictable patterns, guys. This is Monday. This is what we're talking about. So far, we are just absolutely destroying it. 4 for 4 on the day. POLA, another big time win right there.